Okay, so now that you've learned about what happens with, in the case, when we have first person singular, let's talk about second person singular. Second person. How do we say second person in Sesotho? Second person. Second person singular is o. O. O, the letter U. Oh, I'm glad you liked it. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay if you have to go. That's totally fine. We'll do it again. Grammar is usually boring, but I try. I don't like teaching grammar. I teach ESL, so I know how it can be. O is second person singular. So, considering what we just talked about, how would you tell the person you're speaking with that they are eating? How would you tell them they are eating? I've given you the tools. How do you think you can use the knowledge we just gathered from using first person singular? Now you have second person singular. Can you guess how you would go about this? How would you say you are eating? O is how you say second person. How would you say you are eating? Or you eat? In the present tense. Waja. Waja. Very close. You would say waja. Waja. Don't forget the A. Waja. Remember if it's first person, remember if it's first person, it's kya. Kyaja. And so if it's second person, waja. Waja.